And poor Miss Jazzy. What? You a clown, you. You are nothing but a little clown, girl. She nothing but a little clown. Yeah. Good girl. Nope. What you smell, Big Mama? What? Girl. Charlie! Come play with Marley. Come on. We got a cocker and a cockapoo here playing. Who's that, Charles? Yeah, y'all look like brothers. Y'all two look like little brothers. Are you ready? Go get it. Good boy. Get it, Marley. Good. Can you bring it back? Marley, you gonna bring it back? Get it. Never mind. Hunt it up. Good boy. Good boy, Marley. Good boy. Good boy. You don't like the taste of that ball for some reason, huh?